eto na, uulan na literal dito sa Good Time to dahil kasama na natin si Rain dito sa
Good Time to!
Mga kamarkada, di pa tapos ang summer pero umuulan na literal dahil dito uulan na kagandahan with of course dahil na kanyang sold out album launch and fan meet Rain. We are privileged to have ang ating mga kamarkada. Ito na po ang PBB Gen 11 Big 4 Rain sa Good Time to. Rain, good morning!
Good morning po everyone! Hello! Hello!
Oh, asaya-saya namin today kasi naka-discover kami ng bagong talento na magiging DJ sa MOR very soon. Sabi nga ni Ate Jerry B, you have a naturally beautiful husky voice. Pangarap po ba rin maging DJ in the future?
I mean, if it comes my way, why not? Ang cool niyo kaya, DJ. Whoa!
Binabangga ka na namin kasi nga, you have come your way. Perfect na perfect din kasi you just graduated din sa senior high, Rain. How's the feeling na nag-graduate ka finally sa pagiging senior high at syempre doing all these big things in life?
Of course, it's very fulfilling to finish studying high school, and it was hard to balance work and studies talaga. So when I walked the stage, I was so happy and proud of myself kasi I know it wasn't an easy journey, and I was just thankful kasi I couldn't have done it myself naman if without my parents, my family, my friends, the people that supported me. So it's all thanks to everyone in the world.
Makikichismis na kami. Ano ba yung favorite mo na subject sa school?
Favorite subject? Siguro po I like English po kasi like I get to really explore writing and gano'n.
Okay.
Dumudugo yung ilong namin today mga kamarkada.
Oy, pero Rain, thank you so much for joining us dito sa Good Time to. And I'm sure reindeers, ayan, nanonood na sa atin. They are here with us sa ating programa sa Good Time to. Pero eto na, before we talk about, of course, Meet Your Rain, eto na, dahil summer pa rin, Rain, di ba? Naramdam natin yung heat. Ikaw ba, what's the summer activity na gusto mong matry before we go to the rainy season?
Actually, matagal ko na sinasabi sa people, sa friends ko, na gusto ko mag-hike ulit. Kasi before PBB, I was really into hiking with my family. And kaya gusto ko matry dito sa Luzon. But then, because of the schedule, we couldn't do it pa. So siguro, soon, I wanna do hiking. I miss, yung pinaghihirapan mong umakyat, tapos makikita mo yung view, parang, wow. So I wanna do that again.
At saka yung moment siguro, Rain, na nagko-complain ka during sa paakyat. Pero hindi mo na ulitin. Never na, but after nun, gusto mo ulit, di ba?
Yeah, but when you're on top, you see the view, you see the feeling, you wanna do it again.
Correct.
Mapapagod pala kami kasama ka, Rain. Pinapa-hike mo kami ng mountain. Pwede maglakad na lang kami dito sa mga hills, sa mga ganun. Pero syempre, marami ka rin mga reindeers sa ating comment section from Mindanao, from Visayas, and other parts of Luzon. Kung may chance kang bumisita sa isang parte ng Pilipinas, sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Rain, saan mo gustong bumisita next?
I really wanna visit, ano po yun? Saan po? Where's Mount Pinatubo again po?
Sa may Pampanga. Di ba?
Pampanga, right?
Mount Pinatubo, yes.
Kasi I really wanna climb that mountain po So I really wanna visit Pampanga.
Oh, yeah.
Bulkan talaga gusto mong akyatin.
Kasi yan ang isa rin sa mga tourist spots.
It's so pretty. Parang hindi out of the world yung views. I was like, I wanna go there.
Parang walang remains na nag-erupt doon ang Mount Pinatubo before. Pero dinadayo yan ngayon. So, bakit doon ka pupunta next assignment? Wow, okay.
Natatakot naman ako mga kabarkada. Tatag sa mga pinatubo ang levels mga kabarkada natin today. Pero yun nga, we're so happy, Rain, kasi parang kailan lang kakapasok mo na sa bahay ni Kuya, no? At ngayon na, you're in your solo era na. So, ano ba yung lessons na pinakadala-dala mo until now sa solo era mo from the PBB house?
This lesson po, I've always said naman since bahay ni Kuya na, to always believe in yourself. And dala-dala ko pa rin hanggang ngayon. Kasi there are times talaga na magka-come yung time na magda-doubt ka sa self mo. And I just remember what Kuya told me is to believe in yourself kasi you're the one carrying yourself and who else will believe in yourself if not you. And I think kahit ulit-ulitin ko sabihin yung lesson na yun, it holds a big impact on me talaga. So, yun po talaga.
At syempre, di ba, minsan may mga moments talaga na we feel sentimental. Ikaw ba, Rain, when you reminisce, ano ba yung pinaka-nami-miss mo sa bahay ni Kuya?
Wow, na-feel ko yung house again when you said that. Flashback siya. I'm a very sentimental person. Abangan sa album yan, may something about that. I'm a very sentimental person, kaya pag minsan nakakakita ko ng edits, naiiyak ako, sabi ko, oh my gosh, I miss bahay ni Kuya, ganun. Wala, I think I miss everything about the house. The house itself, Kuya, the routine, the people. It's just different talaga. It's an experience I don't think I can experience again. It's different. So, I just miss the whole thing talaga. No regrets, everything, I just wanna go back.
Parang buong experience pala talaga. Kaya sa ating mga kabarkadas, Rain, marami kasing gusto maging housemate din tulad mo at maabot ang pagiging Big 4. Very difficult yan, mga kabarkada. So do you have any mga do's and don'ts para sa amin na mag-audition very soon sa Pinoy Big Brother na next season, Rain?
Okay. So for auditioning,
Uh-oh.
as I auditioned po, ang masasabi ko po talaga, ang don't nyo is to try to be someone else. Like, yung mag-try kayo to shine. Kasi if you're just yourself, and then you're shining, that's the point. You will be seen if you will be seen. Parang you don't have to try talaga. Kasi, personally, I really just went to audition kasi I feel like, I told this many times na parang, I saw my report card kasi, and I was like, bro, I need a plan B. And I was like, what if itry ko tong pag-artista? What if pwede to? And I legit did not, like, try to do something. I just came there, was confident, and put myself out there. And nakita po ako, luckily. So, just pray. Praying also really helps. Pray that, you know, God will help you, God will guide you, and it will come your way if it's for you talaga. Just believe in yourself.
Oo. Pero makikichismis na kami, Rain. Di ba, syempre, may baon yan or kain. Ano ba yung baon what kain reveal? Bago ka
During the audition.
Oo.
Baon.
Yeah,
Oo,
go to
maganon.
snack. During the time na naghihintay mo the waiting period and all, ganyan.
Yeah, so ito nga po yung chika. That's a funny thing. Kasi po, my friend, the night before, mga 12 a.m., sabi niya, ano, legit na ba? Audition tayo tomorrow? And I was like, yeah, let's go. So it was very sponty. So I was like, okay, let's go, 6 a.m. tomorrow, let's go. Tapos
Okay.
I woke up late, she called me, and she was already on the motor. She was already going to the place. I was like, teka lang, I just woke up. So kinuha ko na everything, hindi ako nakapagligo. Siguro half bath. Kapag half bath naman po ako. Half
Okay,
bath.
okay.
And then I was very choosy sa outfit, pero that day, kahit ano lang kinuha ko, nag-crocs lang ako noon. So I was like, okay, I'm already here. Can you order me na lang din something? She ordered me pancake. Pancake from fast food. Tapos, dumating na kami sa venue. I was so hungry kasi wala akong kinain. Kumain ako sa may gutter, dun sa tabi. Tapos may Kuya Marshall, Kuya De Guzman, I still remember. He was laughing at me. Sabi niya, Ma'am, ba't ka kumakain dyan? Tapos tawa siya ng tawa. Sabi niya, dito ka. Sabi ko, hindi kuya, okay lang. Tapos kinain ko yung pancake isang subuan. Alam mo, malaki siya. Eh, gusto ko na pumunta sa linya. So, ginanon ko siya sa harap ni Kuya De Guzman. Funny story. Tapos nung pagpunta ko sa line, I realized I wasn't prepared. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng ballpen. So, nag-borrow pa ako sa people sa line. I was like, Kuya, can I borrow ballpen po? So, very sponty po talaga.
Uy, ang dami na pagpapasalamatan today, ha? Nagpapasalamat po kami sa best friend ni Ray na tumawag, na magising siya, kay Kuya De Guzman, at sa mga nagpahirap ng
Marshall,
ballpen,
yes.
mga kamorkada. Oo.
Yeah, thank you to you guys talaga.
Ililibre kayo namin mamaya ng pancake, bonggang-bongga-bong. Okay ba?
Grabe, no? Pero alam mo, from where ka nag-start from the audition, now, di ba, eto na, you have your album launch and fan meet very soon. Nako, ang Meet Your Rain. Kwentuhan mo kami, Rain, about this.
So yeah, Meet Your Rain, it's May 30 po, and I'm so excited because it's something I've worked for ever since like January, and finally, you're gonna hear it very soon. Tapos, five tracks po siya, and I've co-written 3 of them, so it's probably most of them na. And I can't wait for you guys to hear the stories I've got to tell, and wala lang, talagang I'm excited to let you guys hear. Kasi alam kong fire siya. Fire talaga yung songs, and may enjoy niyo po talaga. And the event itself, I'm happy to have the opportunity to meet the supporters that have been supporting me ever since PBB. Yesterday po nagka-interview po ako, and they told me it's malapit na mag 1 year ever since I entered PBB. And hindi ako makabelieve. Until last night, chinat ko po yung ibang housemates. I was like, guys, may nag-interview sa akin and sabi nila mag 1 year na. Can you believe it? Kasi ako hindi talaga. I was like, mag 1 year na? No way. Parang it's like, ang feeling ko parang 3 months pa lang. Yun na yung maximum nun. Can't believe talaga. Thankful.
Pag-shock din kami rin, 1 year na pala.
Right.
Ang bilis na panahon, mga kamorkada.
Kaya I'm so thankful na there's still people that are still with me talaga. It's been a year. It's already big po talaga. And I can't believe na they're still here supporting me. Thank you guys.
Yun nga, kasi yun nga, sold out na rin yung Meet Your Rainbow na album launch and fan meet, mga kamorkada. Siyempre, kami dito sa Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao, naiinggit din kami, nakikita yung fan meet mo, Rain. So, congratulations on that. So, ano pakiramdam na sa unang album launch mo pa lang, ay sold out na agad ito? At ano mensahe mo sa lahat ng mga reindeers at mga bumili ng tickets? Ganon.
Ayun po, I feel so blessed and thankful po talaga. I always say this na, to have a solid supporters po talaga na, talagang na-sold out nila yan na I didn't even do so much yet to promote it pa. I'm doing it right now pa, so I'm like, whoa, like, this is for promotion but it's already sold out, so thank you guys, grabe kayo. May pasabog talaga kayo, so I'm like, thank you so much. Talagang legit yung sinabi ko, I can't do this without you guys. Kasi magagawa ko pa ba to kung walang manonood? Sold out nyo na so thank you po, I love you all. Thank you for making my dreams come true.
Sa lahat ng reindeers na nagko-comment, ayan,
Oo.
iisa-isahin sana namin kayo ni Maki, pero ang bilis tumaas ng comment section.
Maya-maya, babatiin natin
Mamaya,
yan,
mga reindeers, thank you so much. I think tuloy-tuloy pa rin pagsasend nila ng Green Hearts for your support, Rain, di ba, syempre. Pero eto na sa ating mga kamorgana, ano ba ang aabangan naming mga surprises, yung pwede mong i-tease, Rain, at pasabog sa aabangan namin for your album launch and fan meet?
Siguro yung masishare ko lang,
Yeah.
na medyo teasing lang kasi, you know, pag sinabi ko na lahat, baka di na kayo pumunta kasi alam nyo na. Ay.
Okay.
But then like, siguro you're gonna expect, how do I tease this? Kasi ang hirap naman.
Just give a word na lang to describe, one word to describe yung aabangan nila.
Oo.
Heat.
Okay. Di ba basta curious na rin tayo, no?
Oo, diba? Naging double meaning na siya, but go, heat.
Gusto natin yan, hit mga kabarkada. I love it. Kasi mainit ang talento ni Rain ang aabangan natin.
Wow.
Bonggang-bongga mga kabarkada. Alam mo, Rain, you're one of the most memorable housemates kasi sa bahay ni Kuya.
Wow,
At the end of the day, ano ba, 1 year anniversary na natin, ano ba yung gusto mong iwan na legacy bilang parte ng Pinoy Big Brother?
I think a legacy that would be nice naman is, siguro, kasi I know to myself na nagpakatotoo ako. It would be nice to be remembered as someone na nagpakatotoo talaga. And someone that was really there to, I don't know, kasi I came inside Kuya and I really just lived in the house and did the task and did talking to people. And I was like, it was fun and I loved it. I had no regrets. So it would be nice to be remembered as someone that had no regrets in PBB.
I love it. That's it, di ba? You had fun sa pagiging totoo. At yun ang kailangan sa Pinoy Big Brother, mga kabarkada. Hindi mo kailangan mapumilit magpakatotoo, mga kabarkada. At hindi lang pagiging masaya. Masaya ang pagpapakatotoo. Maraming salamat, Rain, for that beautiful, inspiring talaga na legacy na iniwan mo sa Pinoy Big
Realization,
Brother.
di ba? Pero syempre ito, Rain, going back sa yung upcoming album launch and fan meet, Meteor Rain. Di ba pag sinabi kasi na Meteor Rain, you know what they say, di ba? Pag Meteor Rain, ito yung Meteor Falling Stars, di ba? And pag nakakita nga tayo ng mga falling stars sa langit, kadalasan we make a wish. Ikaw ba, Rain, kung may wish ka sa isang Meteor Rain, ano ang wish mo?
Personally, I wouldn't say it kasi it's a wish. So I'll say, I wish I can tell you guys. I wish, ito po talaga, it's like I always, part of my prayers, I wish eternal happiness for me and my family and a good health po talaga kasi none of this can happen then if we're not healthy. So I wish for good health po for my parents, my family, me, and for everyone. Talagang, yun po talaga. It's important to be healthy and happy.
Maganda yan, mga kabarkada. At i-wish na namin, Rain, na marami kang pancakes para marami kang energy. At,
alam mo, nag-crave tuloy ako bigla ng pancakes, Rain. Bilang umaga, breakfast pa man din.
Try
Di
niyo
ba?
po. Umupo po kayo sa gutter, tapos kainin niyo po. Isang kilo lang po.
Para maganda yung try, mga kabarkada. At syempre, meron tayong challenge for you, Rain. For today, meron tayong BBS challenge. Kasi nasanay na tayong iboto ka na BBS, mga kabarkada.
Yes, as in BB Save. Okay.
So, dito sa ating BBS challenge, Rain, meron tayong dalawang scenario. Pipili ka lang sa dalawa. Sino ang gusto mong i-save? Okay? So, enjoy lang for today's video. Maraming salamat sa ating comment section. And umuulan pa. Yuriko, JM, maraming salamat. Baron, Michelle, Jinky, ayan.
Monica, yan.
Naghanap siya ng signal kasi brown out sa bundok daw. Kikay Marasigan, maraming salamat. Raincor, maraming salamat. Miss Ea Siros Croco, Florizel, maraming salamat po. Ay Maylani, maraming salamat. So ito na, ating unang BBS challenge, Rain.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ito na.
Ano yung save mo?
BBS Cold. Okay, agad cold. Okay.
O bakit cold ang gusto mo?
My favorite dessert is ice cream talaga. And like kahit may sakit ako or anything, I will never say no to ice cream. I love ice cream with all my life. Talaga.
Bakit parang pinag-uusapan ice cream dito? Go.
Anong flavor, Rain, pagdating sa ice cream?
My favorite is pistachio po. It kind of sounds like...
Uy, magkakasundo kayo ng ano namin, soundman.
Yung tech team namin, Rain, kasi si Mike. Yes.
It kind of sounds like I'm old, but like pistachio is good because it's not so sweet, but then it gets me the satisfaction. Pero also, I got a controversial one. Nag-host na rin. Do you guys also like mint chocolate?
Ako okay lang, yeah. It's controversial, totoo. For me, it's good.
It's controversial. Many say it's like toothpaste, pero maybe you're just not getting the right one, you know. It's good.
Hindi ko rin gets ay, hindi naman. So, parang masarap naman, di ba? Parang yung iba, they don't like it because it tastes nga like toothpaste. Kaya nga,
kasi it's already in their head that it's toothpaste. Try nyo ulit thinking it's yummy kaya. Nakipag-away.
Makikita
What's your take now sa Choco Mint? Oh, what's your take?
Yeah.
Gusto mo ba
comment
Mahilig
down
kami.
below.
Oo, i-comment yung mga kabarkada kung favorite nyo rin. At syempre, i-comment nyo na rin kung ano yung mga favorite nyo na ice cream flavor for
Yes.
today's video. May pa-ice cream tayo today. O, tingnan natin sa
Okay.
ating pangalawa na scenario, Rain. Ano ang
Okay.
i-save mo? BBS
Rain.
Invisibility or BBS Flight? Ayan.
Wow, hirap. Kasi maganda yung
Oo.
invisibility at gusto mo makip chismis.
Oo.
mag-spy, ganyan?
Siguro BBS flight po. Kasi
Oo.
ever since I was bata, in-imagine ko, what if I can fly? It would be nice, no? Like, see the everything and then just be somewhere by flying. So, flight talaga. It's been a child's dream. So, flying.
So, saan mo gusto lumipad ngayong araw na to?
Right now, right now, right now.
Oo.
Pupunta po sa inyo po para makita ko na.
Ay, agad-agad.
May fiesta sa amin dito ngayong Sunday.
Oh, di ba po? Kailangan ko tingin. So, nilipad po
Oo.
mapunta dyan.
Oh, lilipat ka sa Tacloban City.
Wala
Kakain kayo
kayong
ng mint
takas,
chocolate.
Baki. Kasi Brain, nakakatakas siya sa amin eh. He keeps on inviting us kasi malayo siya. But oo, at least, wala kang takas kay
Later
Brain.
po, wala pong traffic sa air. I'm going there.
Yeah.
Bababangga ka lang ng aeroplano, mahirap din yung mga kabarkada. Oo, iilag tayo mga kabarkada. Uy, dito mga favorite ice cream flavor nila. Matcha, mga kabarkada. May sumagot
Matcha!
dito. Chocolate. O, matcha kay Kate Gossip. Kay John Lee naman. Chocolate ice cream. I love it. O, yan mga kabarkada. Flight na lang para walang airfare. Ay, nagtitipid si
Oh,
Juicy.
totoo rin.
Oh, di ba po? Kasi I keep flying back Cebu, Manila, back and forth. So I'm gonna save so much money if I just fly. So, I'll fly na lang.
Oo.
Nakatipid. At
Pero,
tingnan natin.
ang invisibility, pwede ka naman mag-invisible tapos you just ride the plane. Pero
Okay,
kasi,
pwede rin, di ba?
a longer process, mag-wait ka pa.
Yun din.
Pero if you just fly, I'll just
Like,
fly.
okay.
Hinanapan talaga ng rason ni Ray ng invisibility mga kabarkada.
Yeah,
okay.
Nasa pangatlo natin na scenario. Let's go ito. BBS, comfy or fashion? Fashion.
Oh. As a person I like dressing up. Pero kasi my dress-ups are still comfy. What if BBS pose?
Oh, yes,
Pwede,
no.
Oo. But I fashion naman, but in a comfy way, I'm still comfortable, confident. So, comfy fashion boom.
Oh, ang ganda nga ng outfit mo today. Can you show us your outfit, Rain? Kasi parang comfy and fashionable yung outfit
Talaga
mo.
Kahit
pong
yung
comfy siya
sleeves,
kasi,
yung sleeves.
kasi pajama po yung ilalim. Gusto ko di po na comfy but then looks good. So, yun po, comfy fashion boom.
Correct. At least
Oh.
legit na coffee fashion up to now, di ba? Yan ang suot ni Rain. So at least, di ba? Nalagpasan mo Rain ang ating challenge,
Oh.
sa PBS Challenge with Rain.
Yun na po
Grabe.
yun. Bitin!
Yes, oh, kasi pupunta ka na dito sa amin na mga kamarkada. Oo. O kaya sa ating mga kamarkada stream, we're so excited kasi ang Meet Your Rain will be very, very soon na. May 30 na. Can you please invite them mga kamarkada sa ating mga kamarkada stream? Go!
So yes po, usually I would tell you guys to buy tickets but it's sold out. So all I can say, see you guys po sa May 30 Skydome, 7 p.m. po dyan. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys and expect a performance that you will go home happy. Ganon yun.
Oo.
Parang worth it
And
yung pag-iinap yung bumili ng ticket.
Tama.
Love you guys.
And take note yung word ni Rain kanina, yung tease niya, heat, sabi niya. So,
Oo.
abangan yan for the show, Meet Your Rain. And syempre, Rain, invite them, of course, for all of your ganaps. Invite them for your social media accounts where they could still follow you. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-follow sa mga, pero I'm sure dami na, dadagdagan pa. Go, Rain, invite them.
So, hello po guys, once again, there's also my upcoming project po. I'm part of a series, Love at First Spike, and I Want TFC po, sa June na yan. Starring po dyan si Emilio Daez, Rain Parani, Sean Tristan, and many more. Kaya, I guess, you guys are excited as much as I am. Kaya, mag-download na kayo ng I Want TFC. And, what else? What else is there? Yun nga po, basta so much more to abang. So paano kayo aabang kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa akin? So follow na kayo sa Rain Selmar doon po sa IG and all platforms. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, Rain Selmar. Yun po.
Oh. O, ano ba mga kabarkada? I-download nyo na now na sa I Want TFC mga kabarkada. Pero marinig din rin pang MOR. Kami doon mga kabarkada sa I Want
Yes,
TFC. Nasa-promote na rin mo, Rain. Pero alam mo, Rain, ito tinatanong to ng mga reindeers at mga fans mo. Pag sinabi mo kasing Meet Your Rain, aside from your album launch na to at fan meet, maalala din namin ang sikat ng Meet Your Garden, di ba? Willing ka ba maging sunshine if ever i-remake ang Meet Your Garden very soon?
Oh my gosh, yes. Kasi po, I watched the Korean adaptation po niyan. That's my first K-drama na napanood. Kasi before everything, I was a K-drama fanatic talaga. Ang dami kong pinanood. Halos, you say something, napanood ko na po. Yeah. So if that's an opportunity to me, hindi ko lang siya i-grab, tatalon papaw ako.
So
Yeah.
ikaw na magiging sunshine. At syempre, si Dao
yes,
Mingsu at saka si
Dao Mingsu,
Gu
diba?
Junpyo. O sino gusto mo maging Dao Mingsu at Gu Junpyo mo?
Stream lang po yan, napanood ko. Gujun Pio Downing, so they're the same people.
Gusto mo gumanap doon sa remake. Yun.
Siguro po si Makiko.
Kala mo, nagsus ka, ha?
Tabi na kayo. Tabi na kayo. Ito na yung moment ko, mga kabarkada. Maraming salamat kayo. Ang saya ng chikahan namin with you.
Correct.
Mga messages for the reindeers today. Gusto mo pasalamatan, mga kabarkadas natin. Go Rain!
So, hello po reindeers and everyone in the world. Thank you so much for supporting me and for watching MOR right now. Thank you po talaga. Yeah, can't wait to see you guys kasi sabi ko nga po kanina mag-1 year na po and you guys are still here, so I'm very thankful and blessed to have you guys. And I love you so much. Nakikita ko po lahat ng ginagawa niyan. I love you so much. Words cannot express how thankful I am to have you all. Thank you po talaga. Mwah! Thank you po.
Wow.
And thank you MOR for having me.
Of course, Rain! It's our pleasure, of course, and thank you so much for brightening up our Friday. Pero eto na, dahil Good Time to is the name of our show, gusto lang namin malaman for you, Rain. Para sa iyo, Rain, ano ba ang isang good time?
For me, a good time po siguro is having a time to spend with my loved ones, family, friends, and just have that moment to, connect. And I miss, and that's a good time, and just eat. Oh my gosh, with food talaga number 1 yan. With food.
True.
Maraming salamat rin. Kakain tayo mga kamarkadas ng ice cream, pistachio mint chocolate and pancakes today. Maraming salamat rin. Alam mo, sobrang hindi kami nagkamaling bumoto sa iyo sa Big Brother. Maraming salamat. Rain for joy. Thank you so much, Rain, for joining us today. Again, mga kamarkada, don't forget na abangan, May 30 na po, mga kamarkada, ang Meet Your Rain ng album launch and fan meet ni Rain. At syempre, mga kamarkada, abangan niyo rin po si Rain sa Love at First Strike, mga kamarkada. At thank you so much, Rain, for joining us. Ito, marami nagre-request ito. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito ma-override kasi nire-request ni Yuriko, please sing a song. Kay DB Alan, please sing a song. Can you sing us one line, Rain, ng yung favorite song na that comes into your mind today? Kahit mabilisan lang. Isang line. Kasi isa-strike kami ng YouTube.
Ang naalala ko pong song is yung kinanta ko sa auditions. Is, actually, the song na made us win in school, Champion po.
Wow.
Okay, Grenade by Bruno Mars. Okay, konti lang. Kasi
konti lang, yes.
Save our voice. Okay.
Yeah.
I would go through all this pain and take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same.
Yes, Ray! Thank you so much for joining us. Grabe, yung boses mo talaga. Grabe. Alam mo, ito pala nakalimutan ko i-share ako. Magtampo yung pamangkin ko. My niece is such a big fan of you, Chessa. Yes. And
hello po, Chessa! Hello po!
Ayan.
Mag-pre-order na kami ng album na to, mga kamarkada.
Correct. Agad.
Lang yun. Maraming salamat once again, Rain.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rain. Good job.